Access signature settings. Create and name your new signature. Insert your badge image. Resize the badge image. Insert the badge share link. Copy your badge's pubic share link. Link the image in Signature Editor. Badge added, save changes. Close the signature settings window. Use your new signature. Signature inserted, verify your badge. Successful badge validation. 1 CLICKABLE solution equals 1 badge. The TSplus Academy training programs. Certified Expert TSplus Complete Solution. Unlocked with full TSplus badge collection.